esteemed faculty members, proud parents, directors, graduates, juniors, and friends. It is a privilege to stand here today and represent my batch at this graduation ceremony. Let me take you back to a moment many years ago. In 2014, Lionel Messi carried the Argentina national team to the finals of the FIFA World Cup. Like millions of others watching that tournament, I was captivated. That was the moment I fell in love with football. I went on to play at the state level. Like many young athletes, I also dreamt of going professional. But as I progressed, I realized something that many athletes in our country experience. Talent and passion are often not enough. What is missing is structure, scientific training, and systems that help athletes truly reach their potential. That search eventually brought me here to Symbiosis School of Sports Sciences. What drew me to this institution was not just its academic rigor, but the vision behind it. The commitment of our Chancellor, Dr. Majumdar Sir, to build world-class institutions and open doors where none existed before. And the passion with which Dr. Naina Nimkar ma'am has translated that vision into a living, breathing, learning environment made it clear that this was the place where serious work was being done. On July 8th, 2023, 40 of us walked into an auditorium as strangers. We came from different backgrounds, different states, with different ambitions, some aspiring athletes, some future coaches, some sports scientists, some sports managers. None of us really knew what the next 3 years would look like. But slowly, those strangers became teammates and close friends. Our learning did not only happen in classrooms, it happened in hostel corridors, during late night discussions before exams, during early evening training sessions, in between lectures, while helping each other through injuries, playing different sports together, some wrestling matches, and sometimes during impromptu hikes and long walks that turned into conversations about life, sport, and the future. The irony is, now when we feel the closest to each other, it's time to go our own separate ways. Those moments shaped us just as much as our academic learning. We were fortunate to be shaped by exceptional faculty members and mentors, each of whom gave us not just the knowledge, but the intellectual honesty and capacity to question it. It was during my final year internship at Athlete High Performance Center in Goa under Naresh sir and Tracy ma'am that theory met in the most instructive way. Working with athletes across an entire age and performance spectrum, I quickly discovered that concepts like periodization and progressive overload, elegant in a textbook, became beautifully, frustratingly complex in practice. Every athlete is different. Every recovery is different. Every conversation matters. One afternoon, Naresh sir said something that I've carried with me ever since. Whenever you sit and design a training program for an athlete, always carry a small fear in you. Because if you get it wrong, you can destroy someone's career. That single line reframed everything for me. It is not just a caution against confidence. It is a reminder of consequence. That behind every training program is not just a schedule, but a human being who has sacrificed years, relationships, and comfort in the pursuit of a dream. Because if these 3 years have taught me anything, it is this. Learning in sport never truly stops. Today, even if we do not all become athletes we once imagined, we carry something arguably more powerful, the knowledge, the rigor, and the responsibility to help others reach theirs. To our faculty, our mentors, our families, thank you for your belief in us long before we believed in ourselves. And to Symbiosis School of Sports Sciences, thank you for building a space where young people with love for sport can find a language, a discipline, and a calling. The next chapter of our lives begins here today, but the values we learned here will stay with us wherever we go. At the end of the day, the real victory is not just our own success. The real victory for all of us in sport is helping athletes succeed. Thank you.